What other areas? We talk about here in New Hampshire, whether it's buildings that are unoccupied at this point. What resource are we not using to our benefit where you can point to and say, you know what, that makes sense? Jeannie Forster, for instance, she's talking about, and this was born of a question that was asked. So for homeless veterans, people, victims of crime and things along those lines, we should be looking at renovating some of these old schools. And
I was going to go to schools is where I was going to go, because the problem we have is we've got a shrinking population of students, and so we've got these large facilities and communities that we're going to need to redeploy. Honestly, my redeployment is to get them engaged probably in, in manufacturing operations. Can we convert these over to businesses that are going to create productive jobs in the communities?
Forrest wants to know, do you support school vouchers?
I do.
Okay, you want to leave it? Well, talk about the debate a little bit more, though. I mean, because this is a big one in this race, whether we're talking about Common Core, vouchers, local control versus federal standards.
Absolutely. So love the concept and love the ideas of school choice. In fact, I home educated my own kids. My wife, Kathy, who is my wife of 30 years, and we have 7 children. We have home educated our kids. 3 of them are out of college, 2 in college, and I still got 2 at home. And I think we need to focus on school choice as an option to begin to solve some of the problems that we're having with the reducing student population so that we can continue to deliver an education to students. But the other thing that's important here is we have been using an institutional cookie cutter model of education for more than 100 years. And in the 21st century, we need to change that. And school choice is what will help to drive some of those improvements into the school system so that we have personalized education for each student so that they can learn and acquire the skills that they need and the academic achievement that they need to be good citizens.